Hey, how's it going, folks? This is DJ at the Rabbit Squirrel Garage, and today we're going to work a little bit more on the 1993 Econoline 250 or E250 van. And today we got the fuel pump put in yesterday and verified that that was the issue and that the van runs now. But the locking ring was so bad and so rusted that it just fell apart when I took it off. So I ordered a new one, but it's not in yet. So I'm hoping to get that in at some point today and get it put on today. But in the meantime, I'm going to work on the back door. It won't open at all, and I don't like that tarp that's over the window. So we're going to replace that with a piece of plexiglass, and we're going to hopefully get the back door working to where we can open it up from the inside or the outside without having to figure out how to get it going. So, and if we get time, I'm also going to try to get the passenger side window to go up and down on its own. I don't know how that'll play out, but we'll see. So yeah, if you want to see the next steps, stay tuned. Alright, here we go. Let's start vacuuming up all this glass junk back here. Well, as you can see, I got the back door open. The handle, it's broken on the inside, so when you pull it, there's a cable that goes over and latches to this door that's not open, and it's not pulling it tight enough. What I can do is stick a screwdriver in there and just pull it to the side, pull on the cable, and it opens right up. So there we go. We've got the back door open. Let me see if the other one opens. There you go. We are good. Yeah, we got everything open now. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish vacuuming that out. There's still a lot of glass and stuff there. And then I'm going to work on fixing that door so we can open it without a screwdriver. Alright, the back door latch, neither one of these handles work. This or the one on the outside. Neither one work. And there's a cable down in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a cable down in there that's just not being pulled, see? So, but in order to get access to that, I have to take this whole panel off right here. So let's get that going and see what we can figure out. And it looks like somebody put a sheet metal screw in there for some reason. So we'll figure that out too. Alright. Okay, let's unplug the light so we don't break that. Blown out anyway. And here's that cable I was talking about, and you can see if you look right there, it's broken right here. It's just broken off completely. So I may try to repair it or see if I can get it to work somehow. I'm gonna play with it, and when I figure that out, I'll show it to you. Okay, I finally have this to where that opens with the handle. There you go. Still doesn't work on this handle because there's a cable that runs from this up to here that's bad, and it broke. And there's a cable that runs from the outside one up to here also, and it broke. So I need those two new cables. But temporarily, I just hooked up some picture wire so I can open it from the inside. But I was able to mount the picture wire to this handle so I can still use it for the outside. Maybe. There it goes, yeah. Okay. So now we have access to the rear. And now I get to do something about this. I have some plexiglass in the basement. I think what I'm going to do is take all this off and try to I'm going to take all this off all the way around and try to get the plexiglass up underneath this, just temporarily. It looks like it should work, so we'll give that a try here in a minute. Okay, we've got it now to where the back door opens with the handle. Okay, not the inside handle yet, but we'll fix that later. Now I'm trying to get all this glass and tape off of the van. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. But as you can see, there's glass just everywhere. So I'm trying to get it all gone. And we're going to remove this. Okay. Yeah. Just making sure all the broken glass is gone, so I don't have to deal with that anymore. Don't have to tape on either. All right. Alright, let's go get that plexiglass and see what we can do here. Okay, I've got my piece of plexiglass cut now. And it should fit in there fairly decent. It's not going to be perfect, but it's good enough to hold for now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and throw some tape on it and just hold it in place. I'm using this clear weather tape. Should work out pretty well. Get it. Get it up inside like that. Okay. Now, again, I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just covering it up until I can get a new window, which will be in a week or so. Let's just keep it raining up a little bit. And look at that, my door opens. Yeah, see, I can tape it off on the inside too. That'll help. Okay, there we go. Door's secure. I'll add some more tape right up here just to be safe. I've only got a little bit left anyway. What I'm gonna do is put it up on here, nice and tight, and then roll it down so the wind or the rain doesn't get under it and into the van. All right, there it is. There we go. We have a back window now. It's not perfect, but it's there. So, all right, we're gonna take this panel off and see what we can do about getting that window back on track. Hopefully, it'll be simple. That's one bad sign. There's another bad sign. So yeah, we're gonna take this off. Let's see what we're just working to get the door handle or the window cranked off now. And it appears to me that the cable systems are busted for rolling, rolling the window up and down. What we're gonna do is just take this off completely. This panel. We're gonna take this panel off completely and see what we can do about getting it resolved. May have to buy a whole new unit. Not sure. There we go. Stick that back in the van. Yeah, see? Both of them are out. That one's just completely gone. I don't know. Yeah. Garbage. Yeah, so here's another one. It needs a whole new unit. Oh wow, it's attached with screws from the inside. They're not even screws. What in the world? The window rail is pop riveted on. I don't want to get my camera all nasty, but here, let me show you. Oh, that's the mount screw or bolt, or that it's actually pop rivet. That's the pop rivet to hold the window shaft on. The window up and down, the unit, or whatever it's called, to bring the window up and down. So yeah, that's going to be a pain in the butt. See, up here too, same thing. Oh man, how am I supposed to do that? I guess drill those out and maybe the new one comes with some new bolts. I don't know, but at least now we're, got an idea of what we're looking at. So, all right, let's move on. Okay, well, we're gonna somehow figure out how to get a new window mechanism for this. So I'm not sure what it's going to take, but we'll figure it out. Alright, let's go ahead and look on the web and see, because I don't know how you're supposed to get that going. So most of them, they just unbolt, take it out, put the new one in, seat the window in it, you're done. For some reason they pop riveted this. So, okay, let's go look and see what we can figure out. Okay, I'm gonna try to record this as best I can, but I have to redo all the wires down here. I just did them temporarily just to see if they would even work, and they did. So now I have to actually do them the right way. So I get to take all this back off, and as you can see, I just taped them on. I didn't, really do anything else. So one by one, I'm just gonna put them back together the way they should have been put together. Okay. Yeah, I'm fairly certain I laid on a stink bug. It really, I can really smell it. I must have laid on one. That sucks. And there we go. We are done down here. Well, I mean, I've got to push it back up in still, but we're done with the wires. All right, we are ready to put the lock ring on. We just got it in the mail. It's right here. The problem, well, not problem. One of the issues is the those fuel lines are pressurized now. So I'm going to need to release some pressure on them. What I'm going to do is go to the front and just hit the Schrader valve and, you know, let just a little bit of pressure off so that it doesn't all spray out right here. Let's give it a whirl. Yeah, that one popped right off. Good. There it goes. Perfect. You notice we lost very little gas there because I went up and let some pressure off before we're going to put this on. So, alright, we've already got our O-ring on there. It's ready to go. Now all I gotta do is just throw this block ring on it and we're done. Make sure it's front to front, back to back. Yep, there it went. Finally. Whew. There it goes. Done. Finally. Jeez. All right, well, let's put our electrical back in. There we go. Now our two fuel. Oh wait. Yeah, our two fuel lines. 1, 2. Retainer clips back on. There's 2. Alright, we are done. Bam! Yeah, it's not going to stay closed. Woof. Now, we're going to do this. Okay? Now, let's go start the van up and see if it's going to run. It should. I heard the fuel pump kick on. Fuel gauge is working. It looks like the temperature gauge is working. It's pegged on hot. All the other gauges look like they're working. Yeah, all the gauges look like they're working, including the gas gauge, except for the hot and cold gauge. It's pegged all the way on hot. Not sure why, but it is. There we go. We are running. All right. I think we're done for the day. We're going to call it an evening. All right, folks. Well, there it is. We've got a full day behind us now. We've got the back doors working. We've got the back window, that tarp taken off and putting some plexiglass in its place temporarily. I'm going to order a new window in about a week or so. What else do we do? We got the doors, the rear door to be able to open and close on its own, using the actual handle on the outside, not the inside. The inside you just got to pull on a little cable and you're good. Or just reach in and flip a switch, either one. We got the retaining ring, or the lock ring, put on the fuel pump. We got the wires rewired and soldered and shrink tubed for the fuel pump. And we tested the vehicle again to make sure it runs. And it does. And finally we figured out why the passenger side window won't go up or down. Well, I take it back. It'll go down. It'll go up, but not on its own. So we need to, that would probably be the next step, is to get a new unit for that and the new rails. I just don't know how I'm going to do it because they're pop riveted in. So we'll have to look and see, and I'll figure that out later. But yeah, we got a lot of work done today, and the van is coming along quite well, I think. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. So I will catch you on the next one. I'm out of here.